Yo, what is up guys? My name is Minter, and today I want to talk about 3 things that are going to help you create better content for the right people.
Nailed them.
Bro. Dead. He's running. He's reviving. Jump out.
Whenever I create a video, I like to try and put it into a certain bucket or category. There's 3 that I've broken it down into. Now I'm gonna need you to use your imagination here a little bit. But essentially, when I see it kind of like a top-down kind of layer, so each section, so section 1, section 2, section 3, think of section 1 as like a colander, so like a big colander. We all know what a colander looks like. It's got, it's a big kind of area, and there's hose in it that allows you to filter water out of pasta or whatever, right? Essentially, what that is though, so if you think about that's your level 1. This is content that you put out there, trying to capture as many eyes as you can. So big areas, big area space, trying to grab people's attention, pull people in. And that type of content is like quick kind of clips, 20, 30 seconds, humor, they grab your attention quickly. It doesn't have details. So it doesn't have things like tech reviews or I'm trying to think of other things, people's names or my computer setup. Like the people don't care at that first level. People don't care. People don't know who you are. You want 20, 30 seconds little clips just to grab people's attention. And hopefully what will happen is they'll filter through to level 2. Not everybody that watches that video is gonna click through to your other videos or care about your channel, right? That's gonna happen. Think about the gaps in the colander. It's only gonna let through some people, and that's okay. That's just how it works. The second layer is then helping to promote content or deliver content to the people that have come through, right? That are interested in your channel, and the first level has kind of pulled them in. This is content similar to level 1 content, but it allows you to be more descriptive. It can be longer videos, like speaking maybe 2, 3, 4 minute videos. People will start to invest their time in your content. Initially, you gave them 20, 30 seconds. Now you can start giving them 3, 4 minutes. And in those videos, pretty much the same type of content. You don't want to go too off brand of what pulled them in the first place. So if they watch a 20, 30 second video of you being, of a humor video or whatever, and then they drip through and they start digging into your content and they find out you're actually a chef, cooking, I don't know, what, Sunday roasts, they're probably going to go back up and, go elsewhere, right? So you got to be cautious with that kind of other content that you're creating. It has to be kind of similar to what you were putting out there originally. It can't be super different. The third one though, so once you get to the bottom layer, so the third layer, that's content more for your committed fans and people that watch people not fans, but people that watch your content all the time, people that know you, maybe they join Discord, they're in a community, that kind of stuff. And you can start doing reviews, you can start doing Minter setups, you can start doing more things about you as a person. Because I suppose at level 1, level 2, people don't really care. People don't really care about you. Just take that with a pinch of salt. There's thousands of videos out there. And to be honest, if I'm skimming through Twitter, and for the first time I see a video that says Jimmy eats sausage for the first time. Jimmy eats sausage? What? Jimmy? I don't know. Jimmy's doing something, right? But I don't know who Jimmy is. I don't care about Jimmy. But I suppose at the level 3, you can start to do those types of videos. You can be more detailed, you can be more specific around. Dude, I can't get Jimmy eat sausage out of my head. You get the idea. So level 1, high level, is short and sweet kind of videos to capture as many eyes as you can. Pull them through to level 2. Level 2, you get basically the same type of content, but longer. You can start to ask people to invest more time in your content as you create it. And level 3 is more like the detail stuff, so about you, about the channel, or reviews, all that kind of good stuff. Hopefully that made sense. I'm trying to make this video quite short and sweet. I'm trying to get this in within 4 minutes by the time I've edited it and stuff, all that kind of stuff. But hope that will make sense. I'm sure there's other levels to it. These are just kind of 3 things that I kind of stick to. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. I do stream on Twitch as well. It's twitch.tv/mintar_TV. Link will be in the description below. Come follow me on Twitter, all that kind of good stuff. Join my Discord. Links will be in the description. And enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Thanks for watching.